Ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be the second video of what I call my new series, Quick Clips, where it's a little bit longer than the 1 minute that YouTube Shorts allows, but it's less than the length of like a full video. So I'm going to say probably like 3 minutes or less. I am 1 day returned from the girls' weekend Sacramento road trip, and I just want to come out and see my garden. I'm looking at it with y'all for the first time since I left. Okay, first let me just give you a overshot, y'all. The night before I left, I came out here and I tried to plant all of my starts. Honestly, to be truthful with y'all, I'm not really expecting anything to survive, but I had to plant it. I had to plant it. This is actually corn. I cannot believe it. And one of these corns already had silk like before I left. Also in this bed is elephant garlic. Obviously you can't see it because, you know, it's buried. So here I have, y'all, and I mixed up everything. I don't remember what was what, but in the middle was that's a pumpkin, and I don't know, some collards, and I don't know. Like I said, y'all, I don't think any of this is gonna survive. This is corn and spinach and peas. And this one, all right, get back over here. And then these are, I think they might be collards or mustards. I have some onions, y'all. I think this little thing right here, I think that was the okra. Some more onions and mustard, I believe. And these are the tents, y'all. Remember when I did the review my Temu haul? These are those 17 by 17 little tent things I'm using just to cover and protect, to keep the moths and the butterflies from laying their eggs on my brassicas and, you know, things. In here I believe I have supposed to be carrots and radishes and I don't know, maybe some more mustards or collards, y'all. It's all mixed up. I'm obviously going to be replanting everything all over again, but I just wanted to show you, this is how the garden will look for the foreseeable future. 6 small raised beds. I have my 4 fruit trees, pink lemonade, blood orange, navel orange, and my cherry tree. And that's it, y'all. It's about 3 minutes, so let me cut it off. Bye.